Hello everyone, today I will explain to you the combining the description pointer for curve scanning and penning. Now let's make the demo. Open the latest software. Click the Open file. We use the product from the previous lesson. Here we will use the SP address. The meaning of the SP address is to perform an offset on the basis of the SP address. And the attribute of the address can be changed by adding the offset address. Here I set 8000. Note that if you use the curve, the address from 1000 to 4FFF is used as the curve buffer. We cannot use the address in this range as other controls, so as to avoid address conflict, and the curve cannot be displayed. So let's start adding controls. The first is Yaxis Scanning. Add the increment adjustment control to adjust the y-axis. See what's in the documentation. The address of the vertical axis magnification is 8. Then the y-axis scanning is performed by adding 8 to the 8000 address. And the range is from 0 to 7FFFF. That is 0 to 32767. The variable address is 8008. The step length is a span. There is no need to set it too large to avoid the CPU processing the data in the timely manner, resulting in a freeze. It is enlarged to set 10. The lower limit is 0, and the upper limit can be set arbitrarily. Here is 32767. Copy 1. Only need to change the adjustment method. Next, let's set the Xaxis Scanning. The horizontal axis interval is the low byte of the line address, which means that the variable address is set to 8009. The data type is selected to the low byte, and the range is 0 to FF, that is 0 to 255. Select the increment adjustment control. The variable address is 8009, and select no byte. And the step length is 1. Lower limit is 1, and the upper limit is 255. Also, copy 1 and change the adjust method. Then set the vertical axis movement effect. Select Drag Adjust. File address is the vertical axis movement, so the variable address is 8005. Here we need to calculate the terminal value. The range of the value is 0 to y central multiplied 2. And the value of the y central is 331. So the terminated value is 662. Then add a slide display. The VIP address is 8005, and the terminal value is 662. Here we don't have the icon field, so we need to generate the icon field. Click the DWIN SL generator. Select the icon. Click Generate SL. Save it in the DWIN set folder and name it 48. Here, the icon field select 48. If we select 0 as the initial value, then the icon will be at the top. And if we select 331, the icon will be in the middle. Then we need to set the curve bold and change color control. Back to the document. The bolded address of the curve is the high byte of A. The bolded curve is the size of the pixel lattice of the curve, that is the width. Add the increment adjustment control. The variable address is 8008. Choose high byte. Change the color is 7 address. Also select the increment adjustment control. The variable address is 8007. Let's look at the color parameters. White is 4F. And black is 40. Then we set 1000 for step length. Low limit is 100. Upper limit is 10,000. And then click Save and Generate. Then download the DWIN set folder to the screen through SD card. Power off and insert the SD card. Power on. When end is displayed, it proves that the download is complete. Power off. Unplug the SD card. Power on. Send in the command to display the curve. And then click the settings we just made. At this time, the explanation of combining the description pointer for curve scanning and panning is end. Thank you for watching.